Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the inverse Fisher transform on the stochastic. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Okay, as I said, today we will be testing the inverse Fisher transform on the stochastic. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So, to date, we have tested 268 indicators. And out of those 268 indicators, 107 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 107 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. All right, so today's indicator is the inverse Fisher transform on the stochastic indicator. So we've tested a few of these before, a few of these inverse Fisher transform on a specific indicator. And basically what the creator of this indicator is doing is they're taking the inverse Fisher transform and they're applying it to other indicators like the CCI, stochastic, and so on. And then it spits out this oscillating line here, this blue oscillating line. And we are looking for it to dip down below or up above, climb up above, and then cross back in the opposite direction. And so, for example, for a long signal, we would look for a dip down and then a cross up. For a short signal, we would look for a cross up above and then a dip back down as our entry. So that's basically how we will be testing it today. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this particular indicator. All right, so moving on here, let's see. We pick up the first short signal right, not quite there, right there. Let me double check. This is the 50. Yep, that is the 50. So this one hadn't quite made it. Looking at our coordinate over here, it's at 58.60, so that would still be above on the next candle, though it did break down below, crossing down, giving us a short signal at that point. Let's go ahead and look at what we got out of it there. We got 250 pip take profit. Pretty easy there. And so that is first signal, and it was a winner. Second signal there was a long, and unfortunately, almost immediately, it reversed back down and would have stopped us out. Let's go ahead and continue on here. So we get that, and then over here, we pick up a long right there on that one. And looks like we got about 60 pips on the move up before it rolled back over, definitely getting us to the 50 pips. Then over here on this side, we pick up a short right there on that one. It looks like that one has also, yep, got us to the 50 pips. So far, not too bad. Continue on here with it. Keep tracking on. So we get another fake out right there like we had back here, where it spikes up and then almost immediately it starts to roll over. Then it was able to climb up pretty high there, because then it crossed back down to a short right there. But I don't think it hit 50 pips. Nope, that was about 31. And it climbed its way up and out, actually reversing right here. Double check that is a 50. Yep, negative 50. So we did pick up a long signal right there on that one. That one did get us to take profit. Hopefully I'm taking my time getting all the signals correct here and making sure that not missing any. Moving along here, we see it drop down right there, but just about as quick, it shot right back up and out, then crossed back down one more time right there, and had a rebound once again. 110 pips, that would have stopped us out. That was the start of a new week. I've said it a few times before that you will often see the start of a new week tends to start throwing a different trend direction, or at least trying to. So let's see, tracking along with it here, we pick up a short right there. Don't want to mess this one up here. That was a losing trade there. I believe that one got us take profit. Let's see. So hit about 47 pips as it spiked up there, but then it was able to recover, bringing itself down, getting us to take profit. All right, so I'm going to cut some of the video out here so that way the video isn't too long. I will pick this back up when we are a little bit closer to the end of the year. All right, so we are almost to the end of the year now. Let's wrap up these last couple of signals here. Let's see, looks like we pick up a short signal right there on that one. And it worked out pretty well, getting us to take profit, and doesn't look like we pick up another signal. So that is going to be it for the year. Let's zoom in on it here, and we will count these out and see what we get out of it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So we have 25 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So just shy of the 60% criteria. So unfortunately, that is not going to meet the 60% we were looking for. It was not too bad of an indicator, but not too great either. Giving signals at really strange places. Really giving too many signals is kind of the problem. It was catching signals at some really decent times, but then it was really quick at trying to call reversals, like right in the middle of these small trend moves. That was really beating it down a lot. So yeah, unfortunately, this one's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.